Alright, the day has arrived to make the bacon explosion on Super Bowl Sunday. Start off with some bacon. We're going to layer it out and make a little bacon weave. Just weave it in there. Alternate layer by layer. It's really easy. Basket weaving. Isn't that what? Alright, we've got our weave done. Now we're going to take a piece of plastic wrap, roughly about the same size as our lovely pork mat. We're going to take some bratwurst and we're just going to spread it over where the bacon is. A nice little thin layer. This is some bratwurst I made, but you can buy a store-bought if you want, or you can use Italian sausage, whatever. Since the Packers are playing in the Super Bowl, we're doing a Bratwurst edition. Okay, we turn on the oven to 350. Let it preheat. After we put the sausage down, we're going to add a little bit of flavor, spread on some mustard. Alright, we got our mustard on. Now we're going to add the next layer of flavor, which is some really delicious sauerkraut. Try to get the kind that's sold in the refrigerated section, because that's really the best stuff, the fresh stuff. Just put a nice layer down there. Add some onions, some caramelized onions that we've done, just to give it a little more Brat flavor. And then finally, since it is the Packers and we're talking about Wisconsin, we're adding our cheese. Alright, we've got everything layered. Now it's time to roll, and this is where the plastic wrap is so important. You really can't do this if you just have the bacon on there underneath. Take it, just roll it up. There you go, you got a nice little log. Take off that plastic wrap. So now we have it rolled up. And I had a couple spare pieces that we'll use on the end to cover up. Now all we have to do, put this baby in the oven for about 45 minutes, an hour, till it's about 150 internal, and it's done. Okay, we can hear it sizzling away in there, and I think it's about done. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, baby. There's some love there. Look at that thing. Get a probe thermometer on. Take the temp. And we are at where we need to be, over 150. Beautiful. And there you have it. The bacon explosion.